In this video, I will show you how to create a pop-up in Elementor. Please note that the pop-up builder feature is available in Elementor Pro. If you're using the free version of Elementor, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro to access this feature. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Templates and click Pop-ups. Then click Add New Pop-up, enter a name for your pop-up, and click Create Template. You can choose a ready-made pop-up template or create your own design from scratch. Use Elementor's drag and drop editor to add text, images, buttons, forms, and any other content you want to display. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish. Next, set the display conditions to choose where the pop-up should appear on your website. Click Next, then configure the triggers, such as showing the pop-up on page load, after scrolling, or when a button is clicked. After setting up the pop-up, click Save and Close. Now visit your website and test the pop-up to make sure it works correctly. That's how you create a pop-up in Elementor using Elementor Pro. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.